Hi there! Welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. If you will, please like, and subscribe to my channel to help it grow. Well guys, it's hot in West Tennessee, but our consolation prize are fresh tomatoes. They're rolling into the markets right now. So I thought I would set us a whimsical summer tomato tablescape. I'm using both cabbage and tomato ware, along with fresh flowers from my garden and a color scheme of red, green, and white. So let's take a look around the table. For this summer tablescape, I'm going to use a green and white check tablecloth that I found on eBay. I'm going to be using my woven basket weave chargers. I picked these up at a thrift store. For the dinner plates, I have cabbageware. And in keeping with the theme today, I have these fun tomato salad plates. And I also have the sweet little tomato bowls. I'm going to use my mother of pearl flatware. I picked this up on Amazon. I'm going to be using olive green glasses today. These came from Hobby Lobby a couple of years ago, and they sort of look like reproductions of pressed glass. I thought the olive green was a nice complement to the tomato stems. And I also have these vintage Fostoria glasses. They're also in the olive green, and Mother found those at a thrift store. I'm going to be using red dinner napkins today, and a lot of times when I don't have a napkin ring that suits me, I just put the napkin in a glass. Here in the center of the table is the star of the show. It's my beautiful tomato terrine. It's by Bordello Panera, and I've had it for quite a while, a number of years. I just love its bright color and the pretty tomato stem. It normally sits on my kitchen counter. You guys know I love colorful kitchen ceramics, vegetables, fruits, bunnies, all that sort of thing. And I've enjoyed this for years, so I thought I would bring it here for the center of the table. And on each side I have some red cast iron candlesticks, and I've just placed some green candles in them. And for my floral today, I've just used some simple little red metal cans with some creamy green hydrangeas from my garden. These are limelights, and I've told you guys before, my colored hydrangeas did not bloom this year. The pink and the blue and the lavender, of course, they wouldn't have matched today anyway, so you're seeing a lot of my limelights this year. But anyway, they were pretty, and I thought I would bring those to the table because I like to use flowers that are blooming in the garden. And here at this corner, I'm bringing in some vintage items. This is a very sweet little teapot. It is vintage. I got this from someone that was having a yard sale. They collected teapots, and I actually bought quite a few teapots from them, and I think it's so sweet. And here I've ordered the matching set to go with it. I've got the sugar and the creamer, and they're the tomatoes on the little leafy tray, and I picked those up on eBay. But I'm mixing both the new and the old today. And like I said, these are the new tomatoes, but I think they blend pretty with the old vintage things as well. Here at this end of the table, I'm using a reproduction jadeite pitcher. Mother found this for me thrifting. I do have the matching vintage Fostoria pitcher that goes with the glasses, but I wanted to bring in a little more jadeite because of the cake stand on the other side of the table. I've got a sweet little double tomato tray. This is vintage and I picked it up on eBay. You guys know I like to mix new, vintage, antique. I just mix it all together and it somehow always works. Here at this corner of the table, I have my Bordello Panera bowl, cabbage bowl, and I should have filled that with tomatoes, but we have a few that are in the kitchen, but I don't have a bowl full right now. Here at the back, I'm missing a couple of bowls. Unfortunately, when they came in, 2 of them were damaged, and so I'm going to have to find some more because they're out of stock. So I'm going to be looking somewhere else. I had the tomato plates for a while, but the little bowls were an addition because I wanted to use my tureen. Here I've got a tri dish. It also is the tomatoes, and it too is vintage, and I got it on eBay as well. I don't have any tomatoes for salt and peppers that were red enough. I had some that were kind of more orange, so I brought in my little cabbages since I'm mixing in the cabbages today. And over here I've got my jadeite cake stand. It's Mosier, and this is actually a cookie jar. It's the tomato. Oh gosh, I've probably had that at least 30 years. It is part of a vegetable canister set. And the canister set is in our kitchen. And this is the cookie jar. So I thought that would be sweet today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a comment below. Give this video a thumbs up and share it with a friend. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, wishing you a happy summer. Bye-bye now.